trolls. It was warm spring night in troll villages. All the trolls are sleeping except one. Wrench is wide awake. He heard something. What's that sound? It sounds like a chirruping. Is there a bird in the house? Wrench looks around. No bird. In the morning, Wrench still hears chirping. He checked the villages. He cannot find what is making sound. The chirping is driving him crazy. Wrench asks Cloud Guy if he hears a sound. Cloud Guy listens. He hears the chirping too. He asks Wrench if he is making the sound. Wrench says no. Cloud Guy says, Wrench must be chirping. Wrench says, I'm not chirping. Wrench thinks Cloud Guy is playing a trick on him. He's angry. He chases Cloud Guy through the woods. Poppy sees her friends. She asks him, what's wrong? Wrench tells Poppy about the chirping. Poppy listened closely. She knows where the sound is coming from. Poppy reaches into Wrench's hair and pulls out an egg. That is where the chirping is coming from. A bird must have laid an egg in Wrench's hair. Poppy says the egg is about to hatch. A bird comes out of the egg. It sings a song. Poppy and Wrench sing too. The little bird's mother hears her baby singing. She comes right away. They fly off together. Everyone waves goodbye. Wrench missed the birds, tripping a little, but not too much. The end.